Hello guys, do you know what does ABS bleeding mean? Who is ABS? Why would it bleed? Should we send it to the hospital? No. Nothing with the hospital. ABS is a very important system in your car. It can directly affect the braking performance. We all know that braking is the most important system for a car. Everything can fail except for braking system. So when there is air bubbles inside the ABS pumps, the pipes, then problems will come. When you press the brake pedal, it will not respond immediately. You know what that means? That means normally the distance for braking to totally stop from 100 kilometers per hour could be like 35 meters. But if there are air bubbles inside the pipes of the ABS system, it could be as long as over 50 or even 60 meters before you can finally stop your car. But nowadays, with XTOOL diagnostic device, we can perform the ABS bleeding step by step, and it's not that difficult. Trust me. Let's go.
All right, VCI is connected now, and also the network. We can enter special function and locate the ABS bleeding. It's a VW. No problem. Yeah, that is a translation issue. Actually, the widely accepted phrase is ABS bleeding. Pre-bleed the brake system before doing the basic setup. That means if the brake fluid tank is completely empty, we have to perform a pre-bleed process first to make sure there's no air bubbles inside the ABS pump, tanks, pipes, etc. But since this video is only for demonstration, so actually the tank is full, not empty. So we can press yes. For the complete process, it needs another mechanic sitting in the driver's seat with a tester and someone to connect with the external devices, connect with the car with the exhaust device. Raise the vehicle, ignition switch is on, yes, and tester remains connected. Partial exhaust of brake system. Brake failing and venting device is opened. Yeah, it's turned on, and the vehicle has been lifted. The pipe of the exhaust bottle has been inserted into the left and front exhaust bolt. Actually, we haven't connected with anything. As mentioned, this is just a demonstration, and it's okay and will not cause any harm to your car. The program will automatically continue. Do not step on the brake pedal until it prompts. Now it has prompted. We need to depress the brake pedal and open the left front exhaust bolt. We can first depress the pedal. Already depressed, then press OK. You see the subsequent exhaust of the left front wheel is currently in progress. Now we can remove the foot from the brake pedal and press OK. So it displays the subsequent exhaust of the left front wheel is still ongoing. Please wait. The program automatically continues. Then it will automatically switch to the right front. As we can see, the front right exhaust prompt has been displayed. Actually, it shares the exact same process as shown on the left front wheel exhaust. So, so much for this part. I won't repeat it. You can try it on your own.
So much for today's tutorial of how to perform the ABS bleeding. Actually, ABS bleeding is not about the brake system. It's about the safety of driving. Maybe you feel someday that the brake is very weak and there is a brake travel or idle travel that's so different from a long time ago when you drive normally. So from today, you can realize that if there's something wrong, something abnormal happening about your braking experience, you should take care of it. And XTOOL will always stand by you. If you want to learn more tutorial about how to use the exact functions of XTOOL devices, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.